Welcome to Mr. Math Academy. Grow your math brain.
Hello students, welcome to Mr. Math Academy. Okay, already I have explained pair of linear equation in two variables in that exercise 3.1 and 3.2 I have explained, and I told you that 3.3 is not there for your examination. If it is there, we will solve later. Okay, let us go to solve exercise 3.4. Once you watch, if you 3.1 and 3.2, if you have any doubt, comment in the box so that whenever it is possible I'll clarify in the doubt corner of the videos. Let us go to solve exercise 3.4. In that first problem I have taken x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So when we are going to solve this linear equation problem through the elimination method, by elimination method we have to observe that any one of the variable must be equal. If it is not equal, we have to make it as a equal. Just I'll write here, see, x plus y is equal to 5. See here 2 is there, here 2 is not there. If you want to make equal x, just multiply entire number by 2. So what will happen? 2 into x, 2x, plus 2 into y, 2y, which is equal to 5 2s are 10. See, this is equal now 2x and this is 2x, both are equal. Once we make it as equal, then we can able to cancel xx, or else if you wanted to make equal y, so what you have to do, take this equation x plus y is equal to 5. See, y is having 3, coefficient of y is 3. Okay, then what I will do, entire equation multiply by 3 into x, 3x, plus 3 into y, 3y, 5 3 is 15. See, now this 3y is equal, then we can able to cancel these two. So which one is easy? I will take that term only and I'll do simplification so that you can able to do problem very easily. So what I will do here, okay, let us consider, I'll consider this problem. X plus y is equal to 5. I'm observing this equation. So in this equation x value is 2, here is only 1, so I wanted to make it as 2. Otherwise, think about it, it has negative signs, plus and minus, different signs are there. So I'll try to make it as y. Okay, y I will make it equal, then I can able to solve easily. So this entire equation multiply by 3, then what will happen? 3 into x, 3x, plus 3 into y, 3y is equal to 5 3 is 15. Okay, this is the equation. Okay, I turned into 3x plus 3y is equal to 15 after multiplying by 3. Why I am multiplying by 3? Just to make it as a equal in the second equation. What y is having? 3 is having. So same number I wanted to get it here also. That is the reason I multiplied here 3. So I'll take this equation here now. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Once, suppose if it is plus here, what I have to do? I have to change the sign entire. Okay, then I can able to cancel this and this, but already it is minus here. Okay, it is minus, so no need to change any sign. Okay, simply cancel plus 3y minus 3y, it will get cancelled. So plus 2x plus 3x plus 2x, it will become plus 5x. So what will happen? 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. So x is equal to 19. 5 will come to the denominator of the RHS, we have to multiply, so we will get x is equal to 19 by 5. So I want the value of y, so what I will do, this x is equal to 9 by 5, I'll put it in any one of this equation. Okay, so I'll call this as 1, this as 2. Okay, so what I will do, this value I'll put it here. This is simplest equation compared to these two equations. So consider equation 1. I am taking equation 1. X plus y is equal to 5. So x is how much? 19 by 5. 19 by 5 plus y is equal to 5. So what I will do? I'll send it to 19 by 5. I'll send it to the RHS. It will become y is equal to 5 minus 19 by 5. Here nothing means 1 will be there. As that in the last videos also I have told, if it is plus and minus, what we have to do, we have to take the LCM. If for into and division, we will not take the LCM. For plus and minus, we will take the LCM. So here it is minus, so we'll take the LCM. Cross multiply like this, short way, okay. 5 5s are 25, 119s are 19, whole divided by 5 1s are 5. So y is equal to 25 minus 4, how much? 6 by 5. This is the value of y. So we got x is equal to 19 by 5, y is equal to 6 by 5. This is what the solution of this equation. What does it mean? This x value and this y value, if you use, you will get this solution. Okay, thank you. Okay students, now I'll repeat quickly. So same equation I took here, I multiplied by 3, entire equation. It is not like that we have to multiply only for LHS or only for RHS. It is a scale, it is a balanced. So what we are multiplying, we have to multiply both the side. So once if you multiply 3 into x 3x, 3 into y 3y, 5 3 is 15 as it is. So for this equation, and I again consider this equation, simplify it. Plus 3y minus 3y get cancelled. 3 plus 2 5x, those two you add, you will get 19. So x is equal to 5 will come to the denominator of the RHS. It will become x is equal to 19 by 5. Now what will happen? Consider any equation, equation you can take, but take the simple one so that calculation it will be easy for you people. So consider the equation number 1. So what value you get? X is equal to 19 by 5. Substitute here. X is equal to 19 by 5 plus 5 as it is equal to 5 also as it is. Send 19 by 5 to the RHS. So what will happen? Y is equal to 5. This will come here minus 19 by 5. So y is equal to what we have to do? Minus is there. So we have to take LCM. So 5 5s are 25. 119s are 19. 5 1s are 5. So y is equal to 25 minus 19 is equal to 6. So 6 divided by 5 as it is. These are the values of x and y. Okay. If you want whether it is right or wrong, just in this equation or in this equation, take this one as simple. Okay. Substitute x is equal to 19 by 5 here and y is equal to 6 by 5 here. You will get the answer 5. Okay. If you want, I will cross check here. See here, x is how much? I got 19 by 5 plus y how much? 6 by 5. See, you have to get answer 5. We'll simplify it. Denominator is same, so 5. 19 plus 6 is 25. Divide now. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So 5 is the answer, that is here. Okay, that is what the verification. If you want, you can do it. Otherwise, it is no need. So your final answer will be this one. Okay, we'll go for the second problem. Continue with the problem. We'll go for the problem number 4. First and fourth I'll do it here. So you practice problem number second and third. Okay. So see this equation in fraction. Okay, so what you have to do means just keep it in terms of standard form of linear equation. What is the standard form? Standard form is like this: ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form. Like this you have to keep. So what we will do, just see here plus is there. So you can take LCM. Just multiply here. You will get 3 into x, 3x plus 2 2s are 4y, 3 2s are 6 is equal to minus 1. Okay. In the same way, I'll consider this 3 into x, 3x, 1 into y, y or 1y simply. Okay. So 3 1s are 3. Like this, you have to cross multiply. This is equal to 3 as it is. Now multiply 6 to the RHS of the numerator. Multiply it here. So what will happen? 3x plus 4y, which is equal to 6 1s are 6. Here what will happen? 3x minus y, which is equal to 3 3s are 9. So you consider this as equation 1, this as equation 2. Now it is easy to simplify these problems. So consider it is like this. How? 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Next, take this equation. 3x minus y is equal to 9. See, these two term is equal now. 3x is equal here, but plus is there. I want to eliminate it because this is the elimination method. So what I will do, I'll change the sign here. Once I am changing sign here, I have to change the sign for entire equation. So plus will become minus, here nothing means plus will be there. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Here plus will be there, it will become minus. Okay. So what will happen? Plus 3x minus 3x will get cancelled. Here nothing means 1 will be there. Plus 4y plus 1y, totally 5y. Plus 5y, which is equal to minus 6 minus 5, minus 6 minus 9 is equal to minus 15. Minus 15. So what will happen? Y is equal to minus 15. 5 will come to the denominator of the RHS. So cross multiply, that's all. So 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So y is equal to, this minus will come here, 3 as it is. So how much you got? Y is equal to 3. So what I will do here, I wanted to find the value of x. Take any equation to simplify. Which is a simple equation? Best one. I'll take this. Okay, because y value I got, y is independent here, so that nothing is there to multiply. So consider 3x minus y, which is equal to 9. I'll write here. Consider equation 2. I am taking second equation. So what I'll do, 3x, what I'll do, 3x minus y, how much? Y is minus 3. So minus 3. See, these two minus minus, it should not be there next to each other. So what I will do, I'll put the bracket like this, is equal to 9 as it is. This is most important. You have to put the bracket. So 3x minus into minus plus 3, which is equal to 9. Send 3 to the RHS. It will become 3x is equal to 9 minus 3. So 3x is equal to 9 minus 3, how much? 6. Directly I'll divide. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. So x is equal to 2. So you got the answer. X is 2, y is minus 3. This is what the solution of this problem. So let us, these two problems you have to do by yourself. 3.4, second main, first and second question we will solve. So what is the first question? If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. Then what is a fraction? So they are asking what is a fraction. So let us write, let the fraction be x by y, where this is numerator and this is denominator. What they are asking, if we add 1 to the numerator, if we add for this fraction, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, from this denominator we have to subtract 1, a fraction reduces to, gives rise to, is equal to, everything represents is equal to, is reduces to 1. Okay, this is the one condition. Next, it becomes half. What is that? It, that is a fraction. It becomes half. It becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. If you only add 1 to the denominator. What is a fraction? If you simplify and xy value if you find, you will get the fraction what they are asking. So we will cross multiply here. So x plus 1, if you multiply this one from here 1, what will happen? Same thing it will come. 1 y is a y, 1 like this, same thing. Okay, you will get same thing when you multiply. So what I will do here, just I'll take y to the LHS and constant I'll send it to the RHS. So x, y will come here, it will become minus, is equal to, as it is, minus 1 there only. This plus 1, it will go to the RHS, sign will get changed, minus 1, plus is there, it will become minus. X minus y is equal to minus 1 is totally minus 2. Okay, totally minus 2. You should not tell here minus into minus plus. No, almost all the students they will tell minus into minus plus. It's not like that. So when you see minus 1, it is minus 2. There is no into in between. Okay, this is x minus y is equal to minus 2. Again continue with this. Here what is there? Just cross multiply here. 2 into x, 2x. If you multiply this one from 1, you will get the same thing. Okay, take y to the LHS, it will become 2x minus y, which is equal to 1. This consider it as equation 1. This consider it as equation 2. Now we will solve these two equations by elimination method. then it will be easy for us to find out the values. So I'll write it here. Consider x minus y is equal to minus 2, x minus y is equal to minus 2. Take this equation, 2x minus y, which is equal to plus 1. Now already minus y same number is there, okay, same variable is there, just we have to eliminate that one. So we will change the sign. Here nothing means plus is there, we have to write minus. Here minus is there, we have to write as plus. Here plus is there, we will write minus. Minus y plus y minus y minus y, both are there, so I change the sign, minus as plus. So minus y plus y will get cancelled. Here 1 is there, plus 1 minus 2, how much? Totally minus 1, minus 1x, which is equal to minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. I repeat again here, see, plus 1x minus 2x, which is nothing but reverse it. What will get? Minus 2x plus 1x. If you subtract, okay, you will get minus 1x. See, 2 rupees credit, 1 rupees is there with you. If you give 1 rupees credit is left out. Like that you have to remember. So what will happen? Minus minus will get cancelled. So x is equal to 3 only. Minus minus will get cancelled. X is equal to 3 only. Now let us consider any one simple equation so that we can able to find the value of y also. So I will consider this equation. Okay, x minus y is equal to minus 2. So x is how much? X is 3. 3 minus y, which is equal to minus 2. So send 3 to the RHS, it will become minus y, which is equal to minus 2. If 3 comes that side, it will become minus. Plus is there, it will become minus. So minus y is equal to totally minus 5. Minus minus will get cancelled. Y is equal to 5. Therefore the fraction is x by y, that is 3 by 5. This is the answer. Okay, I'll repeat again. If you add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1, which means fraction is x by y. So 1 is you are adding to the numerator and another minus 1 in the denominator, subtracting 1. So equation reduces to 1. Again it becomes half. What is that? Fraction. X by y is equal to half. When only add 1 to the denominator I am adding 1. So these two equations are ready. Now we have to cross multiply. Okay, what will happen? You will get, after simplification, x minus y is equal to minus 2. 2x minus y is equal to plus 1. So these two equations you have to take it there. Simplify, you will get x as 3. That value replace either in this equation or in this equation, you will get the value of y. Then hence the fraction is x by y, that is 3 by 5. Okay, we'll go to the second problem. Yes, students, let us go for question number 2, second problem. Okay, what is the second problem? 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. Old means age problem, most very much important in examination, and they will ask in competitive exam also. Okay, listen carefully. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. There is a comparison between the Noori and the Sonu age. Okay, 10 years later, after 10 years, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. Okay, then how old are Noori and Sonu? Okay, one key point is there, you have to remember from now on, then what one more is there? No, later, after, these are all, so many will come. These are all leads to plus symbol. Okay, these are all leads to plus symbol. And one more thing is there, see, ago, okay, before or else decrease, like this. Few more terms are there, particular terms. For this we have to consider negative. Okay, for is equal to is is nothing but is equal to only gives rise, gives, that is also is equal to becomes, reduces. Okay, these are all represents is equal to. This one you have to remember. Let us go ahead with this. So this is no need for you right now. I'll keep it aside. What is there? 5 years ago. I'll consider number line here so that you'll understand. Now this is the present age of Sonu. Consider Noori and Sonu. Present age is X and Y. Okay. Age of Noori is X. Age of Sonu is Y. They are telling 5 years ago means we have to come back. This is negative. This is positive. This is negative. 5 years ago. 5 years ago means for both of them, they are 5 years ago means 5 years from the current age we have to minus. So what we have to do? X minus 5. For this also Y minus 5. Okay, this is 5 years ago. This is the condition for this one. Okay. Now for this, one more condition is there. 10 years later, from now on 10 years later, what will happen? 10 years later means for this X plus 10, Y plus 10. Okay, this is 5 years ago. This is 10 years later. Now what we have to do? We have to see what we have written. See, 10 years later, 5 years ago, we made the statement. Now we have to find present age. The most important condition is this one. Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. Noori means this one. X minus 5. Noori was, because 5 years ago I am calculating. Noori was thrice. We have to multiply. Noori was is equal to thrice as old as Sonu. Sonu age is 5 minus Y. Okay, see, this is what Noori. What is the age of Noori is equal to means 3 times Sonu age 5 years ago. Over one step. Next step. 10 years later. Now 10 years later means this one you have to think. What they are telling? Noori will be, she will be. X plus 10 is equal to, she will be twice as old as Sonu. Twice as old as Sonu. This is a Sonu. See, Sonu. As old as Sonu. How old are they? Just these are the equations we have got. Just we have to compare it now. Okay, we have to compare it. So let us simplify this. X minus 5 is equal to 3 into y. 3y minus 3 5 is 15. Let the constant be in the RHS. We will take the variable inside. So minus plus 3y, it will come to the LHS. It will become minus. So minus 5 we will take it to the RHS. It will become plus. So x, take it inside 3y. It will become minus 3y is equal to minus 15 is there only. Keep it there only. Take minus 5 to the RHS. It will become plus. So x minus 3y is equal to minus 5 plus 5 is minus 10. This is first equation. Okay, see, if you are unable to understand this means you have to study basic concepts. Okay, minus 5, minus 15 plus 5 is minus 10. Let us go for this one. X plus 10. X plus 10 as it is. X plus 10 as it is we have to copy is equal to 2 into y, 2y plus 10, 2 tens are, we have to multiply here also, here also. 2 tens are 20. Okay, now what we will do, take 2y to the LHS, 10 to the RHS. What will happen? So what I did now, x as it is, 2y I took it to the LHS, so plus will become minus, minus 2y is equal to as it is, 20 as it is, plus 10y take it to the RHS, it will become minus. So what will happen? X minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10 is 10. Okay, this is equation number 2. We have to simplify these two equations so that we will get the value of xy. Xy is nothing but present age of Noori and Sonu. I'll write here x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. X minus 3y is equal to minus 10. I took this equation as it is there. Let us go for this one. X minus 2y is equal to 10. Nothing means plus, nothing means plus, nothing means plus. Now, see, these two are not same. We can't do anything. These two are same. We can cancel it, but we have to change the sign. We have to change the sign. So I'll write, instead of plus minus, this is a minus, we'll write plus. Plus is there, we'll write minus. So plus x minus x will get cancelled. Minus 3y plus 2y, nothing but minus 1y, which is equal to minus 10. Minus 10 is minus 20. So minus minus will get cancelled. Therefore, y is equal to 20 you got. Substitute this 20 in any one of these equations so that you will get the value of x. Y is equal to 20 is there. Which one is easy? So I'll take this equation. Okay, consider equation 2. What is this? X minus 2y is equal to 10. X minus 2 into y, how much? 20 is equal to 10. X is equal to, sorry, x minus 2 2s are 4, that is 40. 22s are 40, 10 as it is. Take 40 to the RHS, it will become x is equal to 10 plus 40. So x is equal to 50. So the present age of, therefore, the present age of what? Present age of Noori and Sonu. I have told you here. N for Noori, S for Sonu. Otherwise, I'll write here. N-U-R-I, Noori, Sonu. Okay, age. Noori age is X. Where is X? Here. Noori age is 50. The present age of Noori is 50 years. Then present age of Sonu. How much is? Sonu is nothing but y. Where is the y? Here, 20. 20 years. This is the problem. So we have done exercise 3.4, question number 2. In that, first and second I have done. In the next video, I'll explain sub questions of 3, 4, 5. Or else I may give homework also. Watch this. If you understand, kindly share to some other students also. If you are finding anywhere difficulty, just tell me in the comments so that I'll explain in the some other problem when I get this type of equations. Okay, thank you. Till then, take care.